Hello my olives, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another monthly favorites video. You know how these things go. I go through my favorite curly products, then my skincare and makeup products, and then some clothing items, and they're all my favorites of the month. Make sure to check out my other videos. I've done a May favorite and a June favorite, so I'll leave them down below because obviously I don't keep these as my favorites just for the month. I use them throughout the year, so make sure you check those out. This video isn't sponsored at all. I chose all my favorites myself, but some of these products have been gifted to me in the past, and that's why I have a lot of products. Let's get into curl products. For shampoo and conditioner, I've chosen the Briogeo Farewell Frizz range. That's what they look like. It's not just for curly hair as well. I think this range is just for all hair types if you're looking to reduce frizz. They're called the Smoothing Shampoo and Smoothing Conditioner, and yeah, they have no sulfate silicons or parabens as all Briogeo products do, but that's why I love the brand, because they're actually healthy for your hair. But yeah, I just find I pick these up when I feel like I want a gentle shampoo and conditioner that is just really healthy for my hair and doesn't have any strong chemicals. This range is great if you're transitioning from damaged hair to trying to get your curls back, because it doesn't have any of those chemicals. But yeah, not much to say about those other than I love them and I recommend. So this is a scalp scrub which I haven't tried before until this month. Coco and Eve were kind enough to send me their new scalp scrub that hasn't come out yet, I don't think. It might be out by the time this video is up, or it might not be, but stay tuned for that. If you're a fan of Coco and Eve, they're coming out with a scalp scrub and it smells so good. Yeah, it's a good idea to use a scalp scrub once a month. I never really thought of this, but it left my scalp feeling so fresh and I love the smell of it. Now onto my favorite cream or leave-in conditioner. I've chosen the Cantu Avocado Curl Activator. I don't know if I've included this in a previous monthly favorites video, but this has been really good with my hair. My hair loves avocado and shea butter, and this has both of them. It says defines and softens for frizz-free curls. I don't think Cantu is paraben silicon sulfate free. Yeah, you guys have given me mixed reviews about Cantu. Some of you love it and then some of you have said it left your hair dry and maybe has some strong chemicals that aren't too good for hair. But I've really enjoyed this range. I ordered it off ASOS a while ago, and I also have the curling cream and the shampoo and conditioner of this range. So I like to use this after shampooing and conditioning, but I've recently discovered it's a good refreshing cream. I actually used it today because when I woke up my hair was super frizzy and undefined, even though I just washed it yesterday, and I just dampened my hair with water and then added a light little layer of this cream and just scrunched it in everywhere, and it helped add definition and reduce frizz, which we all want. I've got two refreshing sprays here. I have the Pump Haircare Spring Back Curls spray, which I did a review on. I'll leave it down below. I did a review on this brand. And then the Frieda Day 2 Revival Curl Reset spray. I think you've seen me talk about this one. I don't know if I featured it in another video, but this is a great refresher spray. It's actually empty. I need to get another one. This is great because it dries really quickly. If I'm in a rush and I really need to refresh it quickly, it will like spray, scrunch it in, and it's already kind of dry. So yeah, I love these two. You guys know I love a deep conditioning mask. I love treating my hair to mask because I do have dry hair, and I've chosen the Pump Haircare Curl and Grow mask for this month. It's curly girl friendly and curly girl method approved. But yeah, it smells so good. It smells like bubblegum, like watermelon, just really sweet and yummy. If you want to see me use this mask, I did a review on them, as I said before. I'll leave the link down below. And for gel, I chose the Curls Ultimate Styling Collection Gel, the Be in Control one. It's the green one. As you can see, I use it a lot. I pick it up when I'm in a bit of a rush and I want a strong hold gel, and I don't have to apply a lot either because a little goes a long way with this one. But yeah, it's just one of those go-to gels of mine in my big collection. It never lets me down, so I love that, and I have a discount code with Curls. I'll leave down below. That's all the curl products. Let's get into skincare and makeup. Skincare, I don't know if I mentioned this in my last favorites, but this green tea hydrating mist toner has been my favorite for the past couple months. It might have been in my last video, I'm sorry, I can't remember, but it smells so good. It smells like I've gone to the spa, and you know, it smells like that herbal green tea smell. It's so refreshing, and I like that it's a spray toner, because the toner I've always used is one where I put on a cotton pad and have to like wipe my face, but this is nice and quick if I'm in a rush. I got sent this spray. I'm not sure how to say the brand. It's called Caudalie. It's a smoothing glowing complexion spray, and it kind of smells like tea tree oil and rose. Yeah, like tea tree oil, really fresh and minty. I just like to spray this sometimes if I feel like my face is a bit oily. I also use it as a spray before I put my makeup on. But yeah, this is super nice. I've been getting a lot of facial sprays in my PO box. This one's from the Glow recipe. It's Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, and this smells so good. When I first sprayed it, I was like, yum, and I like drenched my face in it. But yeah, that's one of my favorite things this month is facial sprays, whether it's a toner, a makeup setter, or just like a face refresher for when I'm feeling oily and gross. I was a bit naughty this month. I treated myself a bit and I really wanted to try the Fenty Beauty range, so I kind of splurged a bit on Sephora and I got this Fenty Beauty What It Dew Makeup Refreshing Spray. So I've been using that a lot, and this is the finest spray you will ever try. It's like walking into a cloud. The particles are that tiny. I'm gonna spray some now. Compared to the other sprays, you can't even feel the individual droplets from this. It's so like, wait, I need more. Yeah, it's so fine. Smells good too, but it will give you that kind of glowy, hydrated look whether you use it before your makeup or after your makeup. When I splurged on Sephora, I also wanted to try out this Makeup Forever Reboot foundation. I used the online color match service thing and it kind of matched it too light for me. If it was like 1 or 2 shades darker would have been better, but this is raved about a lot and I won't be like this is amazing, but it is good if you're looking after a light coverage kind of natural foundation, but I don't think it's as good as the Napoleon foundation stick. I'll keep it for when I'm a bit more paler and not as tan, but $67 and I don't think it's worth that much. Like, it's good, but someone I follow like raved about it, but I'm like a bit disappointed with it. My favorite foundation of the month is the L'Oreal True Match foundation. I just got it from Priceline when it was on sale, but yeah, no complaints. It's very similar to the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, I find. But yeah, I just like the finished effect. It's really good coverage, no complaints. So I got this lip gloss in my Fenty Beauty haul as well. It's in the shade Hot Chocolate. It's the Gloss Bomb lip gloss, and this has been raved about a lot. I've heard it a lot on photo shoots, like makeup artists just saying how good it is. But I wanted to try out this darker shade. It looks like quite a dark purpley brown in the packaging, but when you put it on your lips it is quite sheer. I've put it on top of nude lipsticks and then also just by itself, and it is a really great formula. It smells good, yeah, no complaints. It is really shiny. It just makes your lips look really plump, but just a warning that the color is not as pigmented as it looks in the bottle. It probably depends on your shade of skin as well, but yeah, I do like it and I've been using that a lot. I got sent this Iconic London Illuminator in a little gift package ages ago, and I used it for a bit. I remember thinking how pigmented it is. It's so like just whew, amazing. And then I forgot about it and then I found it again in my makeup drawer. This is in the original shade. I know it's really expensive, so I think this is a little tester bottle, but the normal size bottles are really expensive, I believe. But if you're looking to treat yourself and you're looking for a really pigmented liquid highlighter, I definitely recommend this one. And the last items I got in my Fenty Beauty haul, I got this contour stick in the shade Mocha and I'm really enjoying it. I never used to cream contour, I always just used a powder bronzer to contour, but I've been experimenting with cream products. I also got this cream blush in Strawberry Drip. I like that these products are really buildable. You can go really subtle or you can go a lot stronger with how much you put on. Yeah, no complaints with these. I could go a shade darker in the bronzer, but I do like the colors from both of these. And for clothing, I've been loving loungewear sets because it is winter here and obviously we're not going anywhere. I'm stuck at home. I do work in uni from home, so I love wearing warm, comfy sets that still look cute, that I can wear to Fabian's house and still look okay. I do collaborate with Lounge Underwear every month, which is really exciting. They have some amazing underwear and apparel, and this teddy set that they have, I've been wanting to get my hands on for ages, but it's always been sold out, and I know why, because they are super warm. If you live in a cold country like England, these would be amazing because they're so insulating, like they feel instantly warm as soon as you put them on. This is the oatmeal color and I just love the style of it. It's got a cropped hoodie with it that says Lounge on it. Love, love, love. So warm and so comfy. Then I have this warm fleecy set from Glassons. It's like this high-waisted flare leg. It's really, really soft, warm material, and then a matching jumper. I feel like this is a great basic set to have. You can wear the pieces separately, so I've worn this jumper a lot just with jeans, but together it's just the warmest, softest set. Alright, I think that's all I have to show. Thanks for watching this little favorites haul. Let me know if you have any of these products or you're planning to try them out. I'm back at uni, so I might have to slow down on the content when all the work piles up and I have my first mental breakdown of the semester. I get really stressed easily, especially when I have a lot of stuff to do for work and for uni. I feel like because it's my last year of uni as well, I have a lot of pressure on me. But yeah, I put a lot of pressure on myself and I just need to take a fat chill pill. If you're at uni as well, we can get through this together. Don't let the assignments make you have mental breakdowns like they do to me. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Let me know what you want to see next. Make sure to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video.